Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a Trades and Gains morning report. And markets are on edge today as we wait for the biggest decision of the week, the Fed's rate announcement. But before we get to that, let's talk about the market movers. ASML is soaring 7% and dragging chip stocks up with it. The Dow is stalling, the S&P 500 is flat, and the Nasdaq is making a run. And investors are still processing the DeepSeek AI shakeup and Trump's tariff talk. So what's driving today's action, and how should investors be positioning ahead of the Fed? Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So tech stocks just got a much needed lifeline from one of the biggest chip suppliers in the world, ASML. What happened exactly? ASML reported strong Q4 orders that crushed expectations. The stock popped 7% pre-market, lifting Applied Materials and other semiconductor stocks. Investors are rethinking AI's future. Maybe DeepSeek isn't as big a threat as we feared. The takeaway here, big tech AI spending is far from dead. And if chip demand stays strong, we might see another rally in semiconductors. Now let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room, the Fed. Why are the markets treading water? The S&P 500 is flat and the Dow is stalling. And investors don't want to make big moves before the Fed's decision. The Nasdaq is rallying, but it's mainly because of chip stocks recovering. So what's the Fed expected to do? No rate cut today. Powell's press conference is the real event, and investors want to know. 1, how many rate cuts are coming in 2025? And 2, how is the Fed reacting to Trump's tariffs? If Powell sounds too hawkish, aka less rate cuts than expected, we could see markets pull back fast. But if he signals more cuts, we can expect a rally here. Now remember Monday's AI meltdown? Well, the story just got a lot more interesting. What's new exactly? Alibaba just launched its own AI model, claiming it's even better than DeepSeek's. Microsoft and OpenAI are firing back, accusing DeepSeek of using their models to train its AI. Investors are calming down, realizing that AI is still a massive trend for investments. And the stock reaction, Alibaba is up, Microsoft and Meta are holding steady, and Nvidia is trying to bounce back from Monday's historic loss. The bottom line here is this AI drama isn't over, but it's not killing AI stocks like it did earlier this week. Now, before the Fed even speaks, we have huge earnings reports dropping. What's on deck? We have Microsoft and Meta reporting tonight. Investors want to know, is AI spending still strong? Will ad revenue keep growing? Tesla also reports. Wall Street is looking for a new catalyst after a rough few months. And Apple reports tomorrow, but it's already getting multiple downgrades ahead of the call. Our earnings takeaway, big tech needs to deliver. If they disappoint, expect some market turbulence. So what's the smart move for traders and investors right now? The short-term play, if the Fed is dovish, signals rate cuts, tech and growth stocks will rally. If the Fed is hawkish, delays cuts, expect a pullback, especially in the tech sector. Our long-term view, AI isn't dead. The market was just overreacting to DeepSeek. Rate cuts will come eventually, and the second half of 2025 could be a big upside move. So what do you think? Will Powell send markets flying or tanking today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more real-time market updates, and I will see you guys in the next episode.